Hello, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, everyone. Okay, right now I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can invest your money in Hotforex account and or any broker account and let your money work for you. I'm also going to show you how you can literally make substantial income or profit using Hotforex or using any broker account, which we call forex trading. And I'm going to also compare some two companies which you can also see in this video, and also teach you and guide you how you can do that and invest your money, let your money work for you. And investing your money doesn't mean you give your money to the manager. The company will be an escrow to you, be a middleman for you. So when you invest your money, the broker trade with your money and you make your profits, and the profit is being shared depending on the manager being assigned by the broker or by the company. Okay, I think I'm using my live account here. 2000. I think I have to get up from this place and use my trading account. Okay, all right. Now this company Hotforex and FXTM, I'm still going to compare this company with you. All right, but first, before you invest in any broker, the first thing you need to do is for you to sign up. So there's going to be a link below this video I'm doing now for sign up in Hotforex and also sign up in FXTM. But after the comparison, you guys will know which one to choose yourself. So aside that, the first thing you need to do is just to sign up. When you sign up, and make sure this thing you see here, you see my mouse over and about this thing, my Hotforex account is approved. It's fully approved because I've uploaded my documents and my address verification. So any moment and any time or any place, anytime you sign up for any Hotforex account, use your real name and use your address you used in your bank account. Don't just find any name and put there, because this is what we call financial platform. So many of you doing online banking, if you make any mistake using your BVM, if you're in Nigeria, if you make any mistake using your BVM, it's going to take you a very long while for you to show affidavits and other things and verify your account. So anytime you are dealing with any financial stuff online, make sure you use your real detail, your address you use it using your bank. Aside that, you're going to go a long way by asking you your birth certificate and so on and so forth. So that aside, then this is the front page of Hotforex accounts, and this is also the Hotforex account here, and this is also a front page of FXTM account. Why I love Hotforex is you can do this trading anywhere around the world and take your profits anywhere using any payment gateway: Visa card, Mastercard, Mastro, Neteller, wire transfer, WebMoney, FastPay, Bitcoin, any Skrill, any part of payment gateway you have. You can register. You can use the link below, create account this platform, verify your account, start trading, or be an investor. So right now I'm going to show you how you can become an investor without you touching your computer trading, or without you finding a way to trade, or your money works for you. So the first thing you need to do when you register and log in, I think I have to close this page. When you register and log in, then this is what you see. This is really what you see when you log into your own dashboard. So this is my trading dashboard. So when you log in, let me log into FXTM also. This is also the front page of FXTM, Forex Time. When you log in to Forex Time, I think my password is here. I think we'll have to log in straight. All right. Now when you log into your Hotforex account, the first thing you need to do when your account is fully verified, if you want to become an investor and if you don't want to trade, if you want to trade, you take your mouse to my accounts and open trading account. This is a demo account. If you want to start practicing, you open a demo practicing account. If you want to start trading, you open trading account. Then aside that, this video is for investors, that people that want to invest their money and let their money work for them. Now when you come to this partial allocation management module, this PAMM, so when you click on this menu here and scroll down here, you click on open investor account. This manager account is if companies see you capable and able to handle large people's fund, you're going to create an account for them. They'll assess all your trade, because you have to trade in your platform for like 3, 4, 5 months before they will see you. They will check your trade and know if you're capable to handle people's fund. Aside that, for an investor, you click this my investor account. When you click on this on my investor account, a page is going to pop up where you check all the terms and conditions and agree and everything and click sign up. So when you do that, then you will get this PAM link here. And this PAM link, the company broker will give you the best top 5 best manager that you can invest your money with. So I'm going to go through that now. Coming to this FXTM, let's check out this their investment, my investment account. Then view all strategy provider. All right, let's see. Okay, yeah, let's see this, view all our strategy provider. And also let's also see view PMM manager. Let's also view PAMM manager ranking. So by this you now understand what I mean by that. Now when you have signed up and get your PAM approved, because when you click on this you have to fill some form and get it approved. When you get it approved, the link will show up here named PAMM. Now when it shows up here, we are good to go. The only thing you need to do now is for you to invest your money. Then before you do that, you have to analyze all the managers. Forex trading Forex trading CP, that is his nickname. Then the name he answered as the manager. Then the days, open days is 58 days. Then minimum deposit you can deposit as an investor is $250. Then you see their gain, see the last month gain, see last week gain, see maximum drawdown. But all these things now, you guys may get confused about all these things you're seeing here. Then what do you need to do? Let me check my. Okay, yes, there. All right. Now when you come down to this place and say, okay, fine, I want to invest $250 and I want this person to trade for me and I want to make more profit. Okay, let's check Ego 14 here. I have to right click on it and open it in a new tab for you to let us assess him and know what he trades and how he maintains his losses and management and so on and so forth. Then when this page open, you see this page will open for you as soon as you have logged into your dashboard in Hotforex. Now when this place open, then you have to assess everything concerning this manager. So let's start from the beginning. The first one is I opened this Ego 14, that is number 3, because the first 5 or first 10 is good for you to is a good one for you to go. So if you have $250, then you can also check the one. If you have $100 for you to invest, you can search for $100 and invest in the broker. Phoenix fund is $100, that is number 25 of it. So if you have $250, $1,000 or $250 or $500 for you to invest and make some substantial profit, do that. So I've opened Ego 14, and this is the Ego 14 I have opened. That is the manager being assigned by the company to trade for investors. Now look at what this success fee is $15. So when you take your mouse to this question mark here, you can read, edit, you can study all these things here, because I'm going to make this quick. I don't want to waste a lot of time here. You can make this quick. You have your phone, you have your internet browser, you can go through them and understand it very well. Then currency to invest is $100. Manager capital is this. Manager balance is this. First month trading is this. So if you invest your money, you can make withdrawal anytime. But watch this. If you invest after 1 month, you can make withdrawal without any charge, with no charges at all. Then if by the middle of the week and you want to make withdrawal, they will charge you 2% penalty fee. Did you see that? They will say penalty fee, percentage of withdrawal amount that will be charged by manager in case withdrawal is processed before the trading period is completed. So the trading period of this is 1 month. So after 1 month, you're gonna withdraw your profits or cash out everything and take your profit, take your capital to yourself. The main thing is that this when you invest this $250, you are not going to give it to the manager. You invest it through the company, and the company will link your money to the fund manager which you invested the money in. So when you do that, they will now compile the money and trade in bulk, and profit is being shared. Now let's go down to the analysis. Then coming to the left hand side, you see general information about the balance of this is it's $8,791. that is $8,000 from here. Daily profit 3.1%, monthly profit 11.14%. high. You can study all these things. Now the total deposit among all the investors, you see here is a deposit $163,130. That's $160,000. Withdrawal $138,000. So we still have balance and that's still trading up to date. So last update was, see the last update of this trade, opening account date is this. So with this is fine, is okay. Then you come to profit. This is the summary chart. If you know how to study chart, you check the summary chart, upward profits. You see the profit chart, 1 minute a day and so on and so forth. 2017, 2018. Then growth, you see their growth levels. That way you scroll down to the second part of it. You see trade, best trade, worst trade, all those stuff. You see all of them here. Pips, commissions and all those stuff, see them here. Every single thing, you see them here. Profitability is very high, their loss is very small. This is red button, this is the loss, is very small, but profitability with using this Ego 14 is very high. Then hourly trade, you can see their performance in hour. See green is top profit, this red one is small loss. So before you do that, you have to study it. Then they give you the insight here: profits and loss. Profit is green, loss is red. Then coming to daily trade, you see the daily trade, few loss, Monday, Tuesday, profit. The small red you see here is just small loss. So when you invest your money works for you, make a substantial profit with it. So I urge everyone to do so. Then these days, when you coming below the trading activities, you see the currency they trade. They trade AUD, odd, GBP, JPY, and all this. They trade all these currencies. They trade more of gold, and the JPY, pounds, and Japanese yen, euro, and US dollar. This is the top good currency they trade, and profit they have made. This look at the profits. Look at the profits. Among the first 10 here, only profit they have is just $3. Just check it out. Then till you will see the last profits here. Then coming down to the general analysis throughout the months, monthly gain, they all made profit all together, and they only all together and lost only 18% of it. And these are the currency they trade. Pair segmentation, all the currency they trade. You see the currencies they trade here. That is it. And how do you know how many people that invested in Ego 14? Let's go back to this investor. So Ego 14 is day 14 and so on and so forth. There 250 and at least, am I right? Yeah, sure. Then by then you will know how many people that invested in this Ego 14. I think it's not shown here. I think it's not, there's a way to say it, but I'm not going to go deep into that. But definitely I'm going to show you how you can, I'm just showing you how you can invest your money and make more cash using Hotforex. Then let's now go to for FXTM. Now when you come to FXTM, these are the top 10 fund managers that can help you trade and make profits. Then FXTM, see the first one, creativity, and they have ages. They are only investors here is only 2. You see, creativity investors here is only 2. Then money power investors here are 298. Black cow investors here 101. Fred Fairfax, the investors here are 90. So with some good profits, these people are Korea, UK, China, Indonesia, and other countries, other approved manager, because before you become a manager, the company have to approve you, assess your trade, and know how you trade before they can approve you. So before you do that, you have to go invest. If I want to invest in this, I showed you guys when you log into your back office in FXTM, you scroll down here, you see open investment account. It's going to pop up here. They have to read the terms and conditions and other things if you want to know more about it. But when you click on this stuff, it's going to open up and show you all these things. So if you want to invest, you click, let's say I want to invest my my cash, my money with this money power. I have to click invest. When I click invest, it's going to show up a page where I will see a lot of things, and cumulative, and if I'm okay with it, and trading review, and also on and so forth, and trading news, and so on and so forth. If I want to do that, then I'll click invest, and the woodward I'll pop up, show you manpower, currency, profit share is 30%. So even if you make 100% or 200% in any of your investment, the manager will take only 30% of profit. You take 70-30. That's how they do it, depending on what you want. Now, aside that, I think I've shown you guys this, and aside that, let me go back to Hotforex. Now, when coming to this, after you have seen all these things, analyzes, after your analyzation in this Hotforex manager, then if you want to know more of it, if you want to know more, if you are being approved, if your account is being approved immediately, because when your account is approved, you see this, you see my investor account, my manager account. But if you're not applied for it, you see open investor account, open a manager account. So when I click my investor account, what was going to happen? Then there I will see every profit, trade, and everything being processed, being done by the manager you funded the account, you funded the money to. So when you fund your money, any profit you made is going to show up here when I click my investment account. So from here you see fund manager, the name, by the balance you did, my equity. I've taught you guys what is equity in the Telegram. Value of investment, trading period, you see trading period, participation, you see rescue level, you see that, transfer fund, you see that, and action, you see that. So I think this is a normal my demo trading accounts, though, my demo stuff where I used to do video. All right, then if you want to see trade and currency pairs being done excuse me, being done by the manager, if you click on trade here, you will see every single pair is being traded by the broker, sorry, by the manager. You see trade reports, you see all of them listed here from date to date. You apply, is going to show up here. So when I say I want to apply and see from this date so time, this date so time, it's going to show up the total currency pairs, the profit and the loss, everything that is being traded on your own account. So I have to go back to my investor account. Now here you see everything you did. Even if you invest your money, it's going to show you how do you invest your money. When you come over, log into your account, PMM, open an investor account. After that, then you now come down, you now go back. Let me highlight this. Now when PM account is here, you now come this PM account and choose PAMM manager ranking. So you click on this link here. This link I click now was the link that brought me to this page where I see all the managing fund. Now if I choose this Ego 14, I opened it here. If I choose this Ego 14, what I have to do, then I have to say okay, I want to invest, and I'll click invest under this link here. See my arrow here, this green button, invest under Ego 14. So when you click on this invest under Ego 14, they will not ask you to say minimum deposit is this, my wallet is 0. This, my Hotforex password, you put your password, amount to cash in. So if you anytime amount you want to put in there, you will do what, you click here and invest your money, and introducing broker ID. So this is introducing broker ID, not required or not required. Also you just close it, and or you put they have to put my ID because you already registered. You put my ID there, or if you register through the link, there's no issue about that. So you click add fund. So when you add fund, your money will now go straight and add up to the balance of this broker. Remember I showed you guys the balance of this broker here. Remember I showed the balance of this broker, of this manager. So to speak that. So I showed the balance of this manager, this Ego 14 manager. So I showed you guys the balance. So when you do that, your money will be funded to the manager, and it will accumulate here also. Now the manager will start in case your fund has been, well, read this very well. Don't just do that. Read every detail you see here. In case your fund manager has open trade, your deposit will be set as pending and processed as follows. You see, so any fund you did here that by this time will process at this time, any fund you did by this time will process by this time. So calculate the fund and calculate the time and know what it is. So as now I see this, okay, the balance here is 88791. So it's also the same thing you see here, 88791. So when the manager commences his trade, you're gonna make your profit here. All right, I think I've covered those. I think I've covered a lot how you can make money with how you can make money while you sleep, and how you can invest your money and make so much money in Forex, depending on the Forex manager you use. So I think I used this Ego 14 as an example. So you can analyze and assess all these fund managers here. Maybe you want to use you have to check the minimum deposit before you click on it. Okay, maybe I have $1,000 I want to invest, and let me see if I can invest. So here I'll click my trade. Then I click on it, or I right click and open it in a new tab for me to assess them. Excuse me, assess them. When after the assessment, I see a lot of, see their profit, see the balance and other things you need to see, analyze their trade, see their profits, see their losses, and so on and so forth, etc. Then you click on invest under this trade, you click on invest and fund your money. That's all. That's very simple, and that is straight. Then coming to this FXTM is something applicable. So when you click on open investment account, from there you fund your account first. When you fund your account, then you now click on open an investment account. Then scroll down here, choose any investor you want to invest your money, analyze their trading activities and know what profit they make and losses they make. Analyze them very well, see the number of investors, and see these number of investors, and say, wow, these people are making good profit, I want to invest in my money there. Then click in invest, and it's going to pop up a new page. You review a little thing you want to review, and click invest. It's going to show you that when you click open, then you choose how much you want to invest. But the minimum investment here is $100. so they don't give you any, but minimum investment is $100. If you can invest $1,000 to them, it's fine. Then that's why I said they have a lot of forex managers in this Hotforex, but I think they have few in this my FXTM. They have few in the FXTM. I don't know, but the reason why I chose this is that you can also do the business anywhere around the world, any place around the world, anywhere you are, be it any country you are. You can, look at a lot of fund managers. They're up to 300 and something, but most of them are losing. But the company give you the top first 20, then you choose yourself and invest your money. Top first 20, you choose yourself and invest your money. Something applicable to Hotforex. Something applicable to FXTM. There are other brokers around the world. There are many brokers around the world, but be careful when you invest your money and know the brokers you invest your money in. So when you register any account with any broker and go for investment, fine. Because let me tell you guys, a lot of people make money through investment program without even touching putting your hand on the computer or phone to trade. But they make money. They know Forex and they invest their money. So that's why you have, when you come to the homepage of so brokers, you see investor, investment. Do you guys think what this investment is all about? So this investment program helps a lot of people. So the secrets of this investment is, if you want to start trading, you want to learn trading, and you're going for a Forex trading academy or school for you to learn how to trade or studying trade with your demo account and other stuff, what they do is they invest their money and they make profits. They are still learning the Forex market. They make profits. Now when they are sure and when they are cool within themselves that they want to start trading, then they will now withdraw the profits they made through the investment program. Are you listening, guys? They will now withdraw the profit they make from their investment program and put it to their live trading account and test their strategy and test their trade. So if they lose, they know that the money they lost is the profit they made. They are still going to make another profit. So when they make that profit, even if they make more profit in their trading, they will continue trading and trade and make more profits. And also their investment money, the money they invested in the fund manager, using any broker, will also make profit for them. So that's the two ways about it. So the company itself gives you the top first 5 or 10 or 20 fund manager, which you can invest your money and make some special profits. So this is called PAMM management account, partial allocation management module. So that is it. So when you log in, you see this my FX invest, also on and so forth. So I have to close this. I think I'm done with this FXTM. I've compared so many things here. You see, then when you want to see all strategy manager trading for you, click all strategy manager. It's going to load and show you every one of them. So it's not even much. It's up to 1 to, I don't know, let me check it out. Oh, it's still going, but they have a lot of them. They have so many of them. They have so many of them that trade very well, and they open accounts, but no one invested in there. No one to put their money for them. So no. See this? No, nobody. When it comes to number 4, nobody. You see that only this FX maths is only 20 people. You see? Then number 3, you see one person. Nobody. 955. You see, this kind of thing is very risky. Look at number of age, 101 days. Only one investor here. 2 investor, 14 for taxes. You see them here, and you could come back to number 2. You see a few of them. You see the number of stuff. That's why I said the company give you the top 10 or top 20. You see these ones now. Just look at the top ones, the top good ones that trade very well, and you can make some substantial profit using FXTM. Then Hotforex, you see a lot of them. You see substantial profit, substantial money. They give you first 20. So the first 20 they give you have to analyze them by right click, or let me use first trade one. Right click, open in a new tab, or you click on it to open and access them. You can see a lot of them. Then where you will know how much is being invested is this. Is the total amount. You see deposits 28,208, and the minimum deposit is how much? $250. So it's, I think a lot of people who invested in this and they are making substantial profit in this platform. They're making good profits. They're making sweet profit. See, no loss in this stuff. Monthly gain. Wow, that's nice. And their loss is kind of, it's small, and their profit is huge, and small loss. It's very fine. It's okay. At least you can make some substantial profit using this Forex trading CP and the hourly, you see this, fine. Then daily, you check out the daily, big profit and few small losses. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, few losses. Okay, it's nice. So how do you go into this place? There's a link below this video. I'm doing this video for you to like it on Facebook, sorry, like it on YouTube, and share it on Twitter, YouTube, anywhere I want to share this video for some people that want to invest. They don't know about Forex, but they want to invest their money in Forex and make profit. This is the straight way for you to do that. So I'm going to rephrase few. I'm going to go straight to the point and tell you what to do. When you create an account in Hotforex, get your account approved. After the approval of your account, you get this message here that your account is being approved. Yeah, my Hotforex account is approved. And after that, you come up here to the PAM, partial allocation management module. You click here, below here you see open investor account. Click on investor account. Before that, you can analyze PAM manager ranking. You can click on it and see the top one, the Forex broker gave you to analyze. So you see all of them here. Then let's say you want to analyze Crystal Trade. You click on it, and check out their performance and all that other things. Study it, go through all of them. When you are okay with it, then you can now come to this right hand side and click invest to the trade. When you click on invest to the trade, it's going to show you where you can put your password and total amount you have in your stuff, and and invest. So the minimum deposit is $250. Then if you want to top up and make more profit, you top up $100 or more, depending on how you see the trade. So the total balance here, with this company, Crystal FX, Crystal FX, is $106,000. You see the total balance they have in their deposit. So you can make substantial profit when you join this company, when you join this Forex manager, and you can make so much money from that. So when you do that, after creating an account, then that's when you see this PAM here. So if you want to start referring people, you come back to this partner, register as a partner. If you register as a partner and start referring people, you get to the referral link. They ask you questions. The company asks you questions where you provide a website and other things you need to refer people with. So this program, you can refer anybody around the world, but in FXTM they have specific place for you to refer someone. If you join as a partner, they have restricted country which you can pass. But this Hotforex, you can refer anybody around the world, and because they can trade anywhere and withdraw their money using any of this payment gateway, even Bitcoin there too. So that is it. So aside that, let's go back. Aside that, let me close this off. Aside that, that's a simple way for you to invest and make more profit. I think you guys saw my first intro. When you see my account, I'm using my real life account and showing it. Saw my balance. So that's nothing. So when you invest your money, you can make more than that. You can invest and make huge profit in FXTM, you can make huge profit in my Hotforex. So thank you so much and God bless you. But before that, like, share, give me thumbs up. Don't mind my voice, and I'm trying to make it clear for you guys to understand. And the link for you to create an account in Hotforex below this video. The link for you to create accounts in FXTM. If you want to invest in Naira and want to be seeing your cash in Naira, not in dollars. If you love Naira and want to see your cash in Naira, you also use the link for FXTM to registration is below this video. Take me for that. And also you can also join my my teaching class in the Telegram group, Forex teaching class. The link will also be shared below, will be provided below this video. And open the investor account, follow the procedure, because you know how to create an account. Follow the procedure, check all the boxes, and type agree and sign up. When you sign up, this thing show up here. Then when you click on this stuff here, you can see the first top 5 best manager. You can click any of them and invest your money. Minimum is $250, some $100 or so. Minimum is $250. You have 1,500. You choose anyone you have, invest your money, and make some substantial profit. So this is how you can make money this November. This coming month of November. This is how you can make good profit at the end of the month. You can cash out your whole money and cash out your profits and flex your Christmas, depending on how you want it. So as the case may be, I'm giving this out. We all here listening to this video will commence full-time trading. I'll be giving out signals and all those stuff. But before that, I will make sure I have your ID, because I'll be giving out for people that registered with my link. I'll be giving out signals for the trade, and I will also add in a group. I'll be sharing signals and be giving you substantial training and analysis. You understand? So it's coming up by January, at least by January till mid of next year. I think everybody will be smiling his own account, or by the end of next year, I think a lot of us will be smiling his own account, because I'm working on that rigorously and working on that very well for me to see how I can achieve it, and I know I've already achieved it. So the link below for registration is below this video. FXTM registration, if you want to see your money in Naira, it's below this video. But for me, I prefer using Hotforex. That's best for me. If you ask me, I prefer using Hotforex. Okay, now I think I have to stop here, and other videos that's going to come up will be about some few analysis concerning the indicators and charts and other things you need to know about Forex trading and so on and so forth. So thank you guys, and God bless you. This is Zaga FX and crypto trading. Prince Swift signing off.